How to increase icon and text size in your windows. Hey everybody, you can always increase your icon and text size in your windows in very few ways depending on whether you want everything bigger or just icons or text. So here is a complete guide. So press Windows plus I for that and open up your settings. Within there, go to your system option and look out for the display settings here. Once you find display here, we'll be finding different options, and under scale and layout, we can find an option called scale. We just need to choose up a higher percentage. We have 125, we can choose 150 to make up the changes. You can see it easily. For now, I'm just gonna keep it as it is, but if you want to increase the size, you can just go ahead and increase the percentage, and Windows will automatically scale icons, text, and applications. This works best both for Windows 10 and 11. You may need to sign up and back in for all the changes to be applied. Apart from that, what we can do is we can change text size only. So once we open up our settings, we can go to accessibility and look out for the option called text size here. Click on it and we can move this slider right here to increase the size of the text. Go ahead and apply the changes like this, and it will change only the text size, but the icons will stay the same. Apart from that, you can increase the desktop icon size as well. So we can look out for the desktop option here, open up your desktop, right click on it, select the option for view, and there select the option for large icons if you wanna, set it large, or we have small also, but usually you can follow this method easily. And that's it, everybody. You can use the method 1 if you want everything bigger, and method 2 if you want only certain things bigger. But this is how you should be able to do it. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.